What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you a video on how to reset your past service due light, that little wrench that comes on. So first thing you need to do is you need to go through your informations button and go until you find that, which basically go through trip A, trip B, temperature, and then that. Press and hold the select and reset button. Press and hold it. Until that comes on, and select this where it says reset. I'm sorry, because of the light. And then you can hit select, and it's oil life 100%, and that's gone. Well, guys, there you go. That's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.